In this video, I will show you how you can find and manage all your call recording settings on any Oppo phone. Now to find your call recording settings, just open the dialer app on your Oppo phone, then tap on the three dots over here. From this menu, just tap on settings, and under the call settings, you will find the option for call recording. Now just tap on it, and on this page, you will find all the call recording settings on your Oppo phone. Now if you want to automatically record all the calls on your Oppo phone, just enable record all calls. And by doing this, you will automatically record all the calls on your Oppo phone. But if you want to only record calls from unknown numbers, just enable the toggle for record unknown numbers. And by doing this, you will only record the calls from unknown numbers. But if you only want to record calls from specific contacts, just tap on record specific numbers. Now from here, just tap on the plus icon over here. And after that, just select the contacts which you want to always record. Now after these settings, you have the option for maximum recordings. Now over here, you can select the maximum call recording number. You have the option for a minimum of 1000 and all the way to no limit. Now just select the limit which you want. And if you want to find all your call recordings, just tap on view call recordings and you will find all your call recordings over here. And this is how you can find and manage your call recording settings on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.